Okay, so this lesson is for SJ, our syllable juncture group. And this week we're working on adding ing. Now sometimes we have a word where we add ing just right to the word to make an ing word, and other times we have to drop the e first before we add ing to the word. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at now. Okay, so we have the words which are verbs. And verbs are action words, right? Means words where we're doing something. Okay? And so some of these verbs we add ing, and some of them we don't. And so first I'm going to put the ones on where we are not dropping the e, where we're just adding ing. Okay, so ing right to the end of the word. Alright? So the first verb that we're going to use is eat. Eat. Eat is a verb. Doesn't even have an e on the end of it. It's got an e on the beginning. Okay, so eat, we're just going to add ing to that word. Okay, and this is how I would want you to have it in your notebook so that you could see it a little bit later. And if it helps you to underline the ing, you can do that. So we have eat and eating. Eat and eating. The next one that we're going to go to, where we add, just have the verb and we add an ing, is going to be the word moan. Okay. That one we just add an ing to. Moaning. Okay, sometimes I hear you guys groaning and moaning if I give you homework. Right? I don't want to hear moaning. Alright, the next one that we're going to do is the word dream. Okay. Dream and dreaming. Okay, what were you dreaming about last night? You see that word we just add the ing to. And the first word that we started with, the verb that we started with, is exactly the same. The spelling is exactly the same. Nothing happens to it at all. Alright, the next one that we're going to do is meet. Meet. Right, it's nice to meet you. Where should we meet? Okay, and meeting. Right, it's been very nice meeting you. This one, just add an ing to it. Okay, so most of these words you guys know how to spell, so then you just add that ing to it. That's it. Okay, it's the same word with an ing. The next one we're going to do is clean. Clean. And then we add the ing to it for cleaning. Cleaning. Alright, and the next one that we're going to do, we've got mail. Alright, I'm going to mail a letter. And now I'm mailing my letter. Okay, that's it. Just add the ing to it. It's the same word with an ing. Now, the other words that we have on this list could be a little bit tricky if you weren't sure. Okay? Because for the next words on this list, we have to drop the e and then add ing. So to me, it kind of looks like a math problem. Drop the e and then add, see, I'm even going to put the plus sign right in there. Okay? Add ing. So the word that we start with actually changes a little bit. The verb that we start with is going to change just a little bit. So the first verb in this list is going to be use. Use. This would look really strange if we wrote use and then added ing to that with an e on the end. Okay? It would be kind of too much on the vowels there. So we don't need too many vowels. We're going to write use, and then before we finish it, I'm going to take that e right out and write the ing so that it's using. You see how the e disappeared there? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're seeing that okay. Okay, thumbs down if you're really not sure you don't get it at all. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of thumbs up. That's good. Okay, so use and using. Our next words for this list is close. Okay, please close the door. Someone might say to you, you see that e on the end? Got to get rid of that so we can write closing All right, the teacher was closing the door. Just get rid of that E. Okay, make it closing. Then our next one is wave. Wave. Please wave goodbye to all your friends. Wave. All right, again, don't need E in there. Whoops, I almost wrote it. I almost tricked myself. Okay. Waving. You can see I almost made a mistake there. So just drop that E, get rid of it. ING. The girl was waving. All right. The next one that we're going to do is write. Write. I will write a fun poem. Okay. Well, we don't want the E on the end when we go to do writing. Again, too many vowels. All in the same spot. Okay. Drop that E and make it writing. Alright, the next one that we're going to do is trade. The next verb is trade. Okay, I want to trade my pencil for your pen. Never do that in the classroom, by the way. Right? And then trading. Trading. Okay, drop that E and just add ING. Alright. And we have one more, and that's skate. Do you like to skate in the winter time? I'm gonna drop that E. And we're gonna add an ING. Skate. So this is what your sorts should look like for this week of SJ. There are no oddball words this week. All of our words fit very nicely into the just add ING category or the drop the ING category.